This video is going to show you how you delete a user from the system. Let's assume I've added user number 4 and that user is no longer here, employed at this location, doesn't need access to the safe, so I'm going to delete him from the system. So how I do that is I enter the menu, press down to System menu, press OK. Then a manager or supercode can do this. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And now I scroll to delete one user. It's easier if I go up. Delete one user, press OK. And it's asking me which user I want to delete. I'm going to delete user number 4. And I press OK. It's going to say, are you sure you want to do that? Yes. So now it will delete user 4. So user's 4 code is no longer there. So let's test that to make sure. 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4 was my code for user 4. And it's going to come up and say invalid code. So that's how you delete one user with the ProLogic system.